Hello everyone, my name is Roshan from India. I'm a native Hindi speaker and tutor of this language. Today in this video, we are going to learn Hindi alphabets, how to read and how to write. Hindi alphabet is also divided in a two part. This is the first part, that is a vowel, and the second is consonant. So today we will cover all the vowels. First of all, right now I'm going to help you how to pronounce it. So this one is a, e, e, oo, oo. One more time with me. A, e, oo, oo. I hope you must notice there are some vowels which pronunciation is same, like e, oo, oo. Do not worry, the sounds are 99% same. The only one different, that is the first one is a soft tone, the second one is a hard tone, right? But as of now, if you want to use both e, you can use it, oo, you can use it. Right now I'm going to help you how to write it. So the first one is a. We write a in this way, just like number 3, and then a line a. Then a in this way, a. E we write in this way, e. Hard tone e we write in this way, oo just like number 3, and hard tone oo is in this way. Okay, now I'm going to help you how to pronounce and read second group vowels. So in second group, the first one is a, I, o, au, ang, ah. One more time, a, I, o, au, ang, ah. Now I'm going to help you how to write second group. So a we write in this way. This is handwriting mode, but in a book we'll find in this way. A, I is this one, I, o like a, this is a, and then we draw a symbol o, au, ang, ah. And the last one is a re. This one is a re. I will meet you in the next upcoming lesson. Until the time, if you want to take my personal classes, that is also available in minimum cost. You can contact me, and contact information is available in comment box. So thank you for watching. We will meet again in the next upcoming lesson.